Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. So today is mukbang day. I'm getting ready to do a deshell mukbang. If you guys don't follow me on my mukbang channel, you should, at Eating Pretty Mukbangs. So I'm getting ready to do that, make my drink, take my thumbnail, all of the things that I have to do to get that done. I hope you guys don't mind the everyday uploads, because I really enjoy talking to y'all in the comments and things like that. So I decided, why not just go ahead and just upload a bunch of vlogs. So hope you guys don't mind. But I'm getting ready to go in the kitchen. Tony's actually doing his homework assignments online.
My first lesson.
He's on his first lesson, so he's getting that done. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing for right now, getting ready to do my mukbang. So I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. So I have my sauce going. I'm gonna just add these onions and garlic, and add it in the water. If you guys are interested in how I make the sauce, I do have a video on that, so I'll link it in the description box. So make sure you check the description box and go watch that video. Okay y'all, so I'm going to show you guys how I make my drink for my video today. So I'm going to make a really cute little drink. I'm going to call it the birthday girl, because it was Khalila's birthday yesterday and I couldn't spend any time with her. I was so sad. So I'm going to get this, some rainbow sprinkles, and I'm going to make it stick around the rim of the glass. So you can take cake frosting, chocolate, whatever you want to use. I'm using some melted chocolate, and I'm just going to put the melted chocolate along the rim of the glass and roll it around in the rainbow sprinkles. And then I'm just going to use like a pink lemonade, just something simple, but it'll still look really pretty. So let's go. And you can use your fingers if you want. It's your drink, so. Spread it, and I'm gonna spread some like on the outside of the glass too, so it could catch a lot of the sprinkles. Y'all hear my neighbor dog? You're the worst. All right, so we have that on there. All right, I'm just gonna take a piece of wax paper because I want y'all to be able to see exactly how I'm doing it. So I'm just gonna pour the sprinkles out, take the glass and just roll it in the sprinkles, and it should stick. The spots that it doesn't stick, you could just add more chocolate, frosting, whatever you decide to use. You have to kind of work fast because it will dry. So the frosting or the chocolate that you decide to use is just basically working as a glue. Girl, them dogs going ham. They so annoying. And then you should get something that looks like this. And just let it dry, and then you could clean out, you know, the candies that fell inside the glass. But you want to just let it sit for a little bit. It doesn't take long for it to dry, maybe like a minute. Let it dry, clean out your glass, and then you can put whatever drink you want in the inside. So I told y'all I'm just gonna do a pink lemonade, and this you can just put it right back in the container. They're so cute to make for like your little girl's parties when she have her friends over, or if you just want to have a cute little girl date, mommy and daughter date. You can do like some cute little drinks like this. So pretty. You can even do like a strawberry milk. You can do, you know, whatever. So we're just gonna let that dry add our pink lemonade, and we're done. I'm gonna show y'all the pink lemonade that I'm gonna use. Okay, and this is what I'll be using. So it'll just be like some pink lemonade, and I'll just pour it in the glass, and voila, you have yourself a really pretty little drink. So pretty. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a de-shelled seafood boil. I have some king crab legs here. For today's drink, we're just gonna call this a birthday girl. Cheers. That's a good little dip. It looks so good, y'all. It's several hours later. I did my mukbang a while ago, so I've just been in there chilling, watching Catfish. One girl thought that she was talking to Bow Wow. Turned out to be a girl. And the one that's on now is a girl that thinks she's talking to Chris Brown. So me and my son are getting ready to make us some smoothies. Okay, so here's the ingredients. I have some pineapples, I have blueberries, bananas, almond milk, and I can use a little bit of the spring mix. I'll probably do a pineapple banana smoothie and add a little bit of greens. And Tony, you could just add whatever you want. If you want to add, yeah, if you want to add like pineapples and blueberries, or you can add all three. You can add whatever you want to add. So let's make some smoothies. All right, well, I'm gonna do a pineapple banana smoothie because that's what I would get when I'm at the store. So I'm gonna just put this right here so y'all can see it. Hopefully y'all can see it. I'm gonna put a few chunks of pineapple in here. Pull the give me the trash over here. What else? Put a few things of pineapple. Should I put one whole banana?
Yeah.
Or should I do a half?
Just start with a half. Make sure you can fit everything in it.
Yeah. Good idea, son. Ah. Put it on the counter. Alright. Now how are you gonna make a chocolate one? Because we don't even have any chocolate. Get the banana.
Mom.
Yes.
Yes, we did.
Oh, he's gonna make him a chocolate. Oh, well, I want some chocolate in mine, but that won't taste good.
Exactly.
I'm gonna do a half banana. Okay. I probably don't have to put this in there. Maybe I should add a little bit of honey to mine because I like mine to be sweet. Give me that honey. Add a little bit of grease.
Ooh.
You can't put sprinkles in a smoothie.
I'm not even gonna be a smoothie. It's gonna be more of a milkshake.
I'm gonna add a little bit of honey to mine, y'all.
Blueberries?
I'm gonna taste it and then I'll see if I need to add
Blueberries.
some blueberries. Okay. Add a little bit of milk. Put the top on. Y'all hear my neighbor? Oh, gosh, that mean the top not on there, right?
Is it?
Oh, it's not plugged up.
Major fail.
Major fail. I think give me some ice.
Exactly what I do. Yeah, I'll give you the ice. Sorry, having a cup. Put more ice in it.
right, y'all. Let's taste this.
Tell me how it is. I don't want none of that. It's too healthy for me.
Mmm.
It is.
That's really good. Let me pour it in a cute little cup.
I'm gonna taste the other side of it.
Let's see. What cup do I want? It's good, right?
That's pretty good. I mean, mine's gonna be better. Cause I'm made for this.
Oh, you made for this.
I'm made for this.
All right, y'all. Y'all know I have to make mine look cute. So I'm gonna slice pineapple. Pour it in this glass. I guess I should show it to y'all while I'm pouring it. I made just enough.
Why would I try something after you done with that?
And here is my banana pineapple smoothie. All right, you up next.
Alright, Mama.
So are you gonna use any of these ingredients over here?
Nope. I'm only gonna use the almond.
Or just almond milk? Okay.
Look, you know after they do this. Wow. You know that?
The mop.
No, the
Yeah, he's trying to teach me this thinking. Let me put this up. Let me get out your way so you can do yours.
Hey, you watched this out already? I'm watching again.
This is delicious, y'all.
Okay. Why your stuff out the way?
I'm getting all my stuff out the way. The next one, we'll use these blueberries because I need to use these up.
I'm biting. Got it here. This down here. And what's this? I need this?
Yeah, that's you don't need the honey. Oh no, you don't need no honey.
This down. Sorry.
You got the ice.
Oh, it hurts though. Toe. Sausage to the toe.
You rinse the blade off.
Yeah. Okay. First I'm gonna do is put the ice in. Then I'm gonna put some almond milk.
Okay. Hold on, the camera's going dead. Let me change the battery.
Then I'm gonna put some chocolate.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Gotta put enough. 5.
That's enough.
Yeah. Yeah. Then
Now you're going in the sprinkles. I don't think that's a good idea. That's why they're not coming out.
yeah.
It probably would have been a good idea if you would have sprinkled that last. That's enough.
No, I ain't more. Alright, what do I do now?
I thought you said you got this, bro.
I did that. I messed up.
Okay, I'll help you.
I'll hold it.
Bring me back my smoothie.
You had it on the edge, brother. What if we would have tipped it? Then you would have been mad. Alright.
Okay.
How you doing? As soon as I put it down, it's going boom.
It's going what?
As soon as I put it down, it's going boom.
No, it's not.
That's wild. Let's take it off.
All right, yeah.
Whew.
Shake it up. Is it the consistency you want, or do you want it a little thinner than that?
Oh yeah, this is good. Yeah, that's good.
Set it on top of here. It looks more like a milkshake.
That's what I was going for.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
That's a little thick, brother.
Thicker the better, brother. Come on, big buddy.
Had the bake.
Oh,
Oh. I'm just gonna put this top on here for you.
Hold up.
Now, my smoothie turned out really good.
So did mine. And I can't really see the sprinkles. Sad.
You can't really see the sprinkles so well, y'all. Look at him. He add more sprinkles.
Yeah. That's good.
Mix it up. You got all this mess in here. And let's toast to staying home.
I'm satisfied.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like a milkshake.
Mm-hmm.
Come on the carpet. You gotta rinse that off the bottom because I still see chocolate stuff dripping. It's gonna get all over the carpet.
That's condensation.
You look like a condensation.
You are condensation.